It's been calculated that as much as 20% of a small business's time and resources can be spent on the non-productive, time-consuming, non-income producing, administrative tasks that fall into the non-descriptive, it just needs to be done category. What if you could cost-effectively reduce the time spent shuffling papers? What if there was a way to get back some of that precious time spent on the mindless administrative redundancies and recapture the true essence of why you became a business owner in the first place? What if the administrative duties of your business could be accomplished at the highest level of proficiency while saving you time and money? This is ACH of America for small businesses in simplest terms. You have a business, and you most likely did not go into business to be an employer. You started a company to make money while doing what you love. Yet, in addition to being an employer, you also have a stack of other administrative duties that also need to be fulfilled. Payroll, payroll taxes, healthcare, competitive employee benefit packages, human resource responsibilities, staying current and compliant with all the newest and latest laws, forms and taxes, liability risks, workers' compensation, the list goes on. Sometimes it's amazing that any time at all can be spent on the true nature and purpose of your business. This is where ACH of America comes into play. ACH of America, created in 1972, is utilized by hundreds of companies, thousands of employees to optimize the mundane yet necessary administrative responsibilities. By outsourcing much of your administrative chores to ACH of America, you'll be able to gain greater control of furthering the core of your business. Here's how it works. It couldn't be more simple. First, by implementing the state-of-the-art online application that keeps you in complete control, ACH of America works with you to orchestrate a powerful, totally accessible payroll program, which features include the tightest security and guaranteed accuracy in the market today. But this is only where the savings begin. Once ACH of America is assisting you with you and your payroll, you gain membership in one of the most powerful pools of opportunity, offering huge and substantial discounts and savings on a plethora of employee-related benefits. In simplest terms, by coupling with ACH of America to fulfill your payroll needs, you're joining an ever-growing and highly powerful network of other businesses that give leverage to the buying power of ACH of America. Just like other mega stores that buy in high volume for better pricing, ACH of America also buys in high volume, allowing substantial savings to be passed on to its clients. Contact ACH and set up an appointment with one of our professional account representatives to show you how quick and easy your business can be taking advantage of a long list of features and benefits available through ACH of America. We all know that small business owners aren't paid what they're worth, and great employees are hard to find and keep. Don't let the fact that your business might not be large enough to offer the most powerful employee benefits. With ACH of America, you can. When you join our team and you gain the strength to offer the extreme value you and your employees are worth, ACH of America shows them you really care.